we're so proud to be a part of this, to be a partner with East Mississippi Community College and all the important work that they're doing in training our future, our current and our future workforce to serve our state. As Dr. Jared mentioned, there are a lot of people to be thankful to. One person I also want to mention is our governor, Governor Tate Reeves, and his vision for growing our economy in the state of Mississippi. But his vision requires us to have a skilled workforce to meet the needs of employers. Accelerate Mississippi, as Dr. Jared mentioned. Dr. Courtney Taylor, the work that she does is tremendous. And that's part of our governor's vision. This aim up right here, Mississippi State University, is part of the Accelerate Mississippi's vision for creating a better skilled workforce to meet the needs of our state. And we could not have a better partner because it takes partners. And I hope you know that Mississippi State, we're proud of our culture, our collaborative culture. That's who we are. And we recognize that we have to have good, strong partners and leaders. And again, we could not have a better partner than East Mississippi Community College.
In Mississippi, we have the top community college system in the United States of America. We have great people that work here and work every day to try to help students reach that next level. When you walk around this building today and you look in these windows and you see these students, there's some great opportunities here inside of these programs. You know, we've got a really, really robust apprenticeship program where workers are coming from the steel mill and other places. They're coming here while they're on the clock and they're learning. So the opportunities that we're making for these students, whether they're already employed, whether they're 29 years old and they're re-careering, looking for something else to do in life, they got off to, for whatever happened, life got in the way and they're back, they want to enter the workforce. And like Dr. Keenum said, they can come here, they can get their AAS degree in industrial maintenance, and go to Mississippi State and get that BAS degree. So the learning doesn't stop.